So it's a really hot day today. And the cats are just in the forepeak. One's about to do a runner. He's just gone. Little Blue's gone for a runner. Done a runner. But Alfie always stretches out on the bed, don't you? When it's hot. Full surface area to get cooled down. Don't you, Munchkin? Hmm? Boy. And where are we today then, Caroline?
We're in Sitges today.
Yeah. So we've just got the train. Yeah.
Right, the English shop.
So we're at the station.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're being very British.
Yeah, and we're going to have a look around the English shop because we're going to have a little tour around the town. Well, village or whatever it is.
It's a town.
Town, yeah. And there's an English shop here.
And home fancies.
So I'd like some Bentos pies.
Can't believe of all the things that you wanted is a fake Bentos pie. Pie in a tin.
So I like a Frey Bentos pie now and then. Nice. Look at that.
Nice house.
Villa Subert. Yeah, there is. Where's all that? It's a sweet shop. Sugar. No, I'm not being a miserable git. You said there was a nice smell, so...
Yeah, sweet.
Sugar. Mm.
Yeah, you work with the devil according to you. Still
Yeah.
bought a kilogram the other day. Tony's very good at double standards.
Yeah.
On here a bit and next left.
I can't believe it's this far down, really.
I can't remember it being
No.
that, but it is. Well, according to this it is, isn't it?
It's a Chinese restaurant that we've been in before.
We're going to the Chinese restaurant.
What?
We're on our way to the British shop.
Oh.
Keep up.
Oh, I thought we were going to bloody Chinese.
We are, but we said we would
I'll go to the English shop first. Sorry.
Check out what we've got.
Yes,
So-
and then go to the Chinese. Anyway, it's 24 degrees today.
Yeah. And we're going to the English shop, even though Tony thought we were going to the Chinese, because all he ever thinks of, like I said earlier, is his stomach.
So we've got Frey Bentos pies. Yeah. We've still got some Branston pickle on the boat, I think. But we don't have any bread to have it with. Bread and cheese. And we've got some Marmite as well from last time. Paxo stuffing.
Summer.
Bisto gravy. That's a good idea to have in.
Can
Is it?
make
Oh.
no.
Just a-
Normal gravy.
So that's-
custard powder.
See, that's me thinking.
Mind you.
And Caroline thinks differently.
Well, because
Don't
it's
you?
easy to make your own gravy, sweetheart. All you
Right,
need to do
right. Custard powder.
Then again, it's easy to make your own custard. Yorkshire tea.
Oh,
How much is this?
€11.
It's cheaper than Amazon. It's 14 on Amazon.
Wow. Oh, bacon.
Yeah.
We've got proper bacon. Look, proper. Look there.
Yeah.
Proper bacon.
Yeah.
You can get bacon in Spain, but it's
Yeah.
not like this.
Big packets there. And sausage. Definitely want some sausage.
Caroline likes a nice sausage.
I do. Big thick pork sausage.
She'll kill me, will Caroline. You go first, because I want to have a look at these books. Oh.
If a book comes on the boat, I think it's got to go off the boat. Tony has that many books, most of them totally irrelevant to that you just will not get looked at.
So Caroline's now having a look for where the Chinese is.
A 5 minutes walk away, 350 metres. It'll take 5 minutes to do 350 metres. Right, off we go.
Okay. Lovely street. You get lovely shade in summer, don't you, with these trees?
You need it.
You need the shade, yeah.
It's only what, May?
It's May and it's El Scorchio. Scorchio. Because they give you shade. Look at that straight there with all the flags.
I think this is where we need to be.
Oh, there you go then. I thought it was on a hill.
Don't know what you're thinking of, sweetheart.
You know, I
So
thought.
this is all ready for. We've got all the pride.
Oh yeah, I see. So we're in Chinese,
We are.
and we've ordered some sangria, which is Caroline's go-to. It's a really nice Chinese, this, and I think they've sacked the robots.
It's the same.
It looks like it. Here he is. The robot.
Estimado cliente, por favor, recoja la comida de la bandeja con la luz encendida. Gracias.
Sheshe.
Adios.
Sheshe. There you go. There's the robot. It even indicates when it goes into the kitchen.
That's brilliant.
I was wrong. The robots are alive. So we've had the Chinese. It was alright, wasn't it?
It was okay.
Yeah.
It was just quite salty.
Very, 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 very salty.
Well, that gives you an excuse to have a big beer. To
Yeah.
quench it all.
Yeah, so it was about a, I don't know, what would you say, a 6 out of 10 or a, I'd have said 6.
Just a 6.
Just a 6, that's it, yeah, maybe 5.
5.5. We'll go mid. 5.5.
Yeah, about a 5.5.
It wasn't expensive, so.
No. So for all that food we had, which was quite a lot, wasn't it? Well, you can get a tattoo and a haircut in there.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
You get the tattoo while you're having your haircut.
Well, yours buggered, aren't you? Yeah. We had quite a lot of food.
Yeah.
And a litre of sangria between us.
Yeah. And it was €41,
Yeah.
40 altogether. So not bad, really. I think we had food that we didn't order.
Yeah, we seemed to get a lot of food, and I
And
said.
we had some food that we didn't have food that we ordered. So that robot needs sacking. I thought they had sacked it, actually. I think it's just a gimmick, actually.
It is a gimmick, sweetheart.
Oh, excuse me.
It's good for kids and things like that, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm sure kids would enjoy it when food turns up on a robot, but it's only certain food that turns up on the robot. The rest of them bring it on themselves.
But it's like you get one lot on a robot, isn't it? You know.
We need to find somewhere that does some nice beer.
Well, that's gelato there, so I don't think you're going to get nice beer in there. I want a coffee. I've not had a coffee all day. Yeah, but I want a proper coffee.
So yeah, this is the seafront in Sitges. There's like hands up to a bat. What's that all about? Restaurants, lots of ice cream. Ice cream shop there.
It's a chiringuito there. Yeah, bar. Beachside bar.
Let's go to the beach. Every time we start talking, there's a bloody noisy bike. Every blooming time.
What are you whinging about now? Eh?
What I don't really like is this generic Spanish beer. Like, so you've got...
Crossing over, honey. That's where the Chiringuito is.
What is it? Estrella.
Estrella.
Or you've got...
Off
oh,
again.
you've got... Yeah, because I was trying to... You've got Mahou. It's all the same fucking beer. Right. Look, it says it there. Estrella Dam.
Well, we won't go there then.
Just all the same thing. So what I'd like is choice.
It's just a whinging Yorkshire.
I'm not a whinging, I just like a choice. That's all. That's all I have a choice.
You're not in the UK now, honey.
The beach is full up. There's nobody on that beach. What's that for?
Well, yeah, because you don't want the beer there.
No, but I don't know what it is. I said I'd like a choice.
Well, do you want to go and
have to
have...
have a look. You just walk past it.
Well, because you said, oh, it's Estrella.
No, I didn't say that. I said, yes, there is Estrella, but I don't want that.
Well, go and find out what they have got then. You go down and see, and if they've got decent beer, I'll come down. Have they got decent beer?
Do you have other beer than this?
¿Para el tambo o para el takeaway?
Do you have other beer than this?
Ok, ok. Momento. Esta para llevar ese. Ahí tenés, Miguelito. Anda llevando. I'm sorry. One beer?
No, no, no. Do you have other beer than this? Do you have bottles?
Una botella. Estrella.
Oh, no, no, no. Okay, gracias.
Okay.
No, it's just the same old shit.
Crap beer.
Lemon beer, but like really?
That'd be refreshing. So we've just found a bar that's got the beer that Mr. Picky wants. Now he's sat down and he's complaining about the chairs. The strange chairs.
Hola.
Hola.
Hola. ¿Qué podemos?
What are you having?
Voldam.
Pero es botellín Voldam,
Oh, it's only
Sí,
bottles
botella.
of Vol. It's only bottles of Voldam.
no jarra.
The IPA.
Jarra es estrella.
It's only
Tirador
Estrella
Estrella.
in their half litre.
What?
It's only Estrella half litre.
Oh,
Voldam.
right. Voldam.
Ok.
Un Coca-Cola, por favor.
¿Coca-Cola?
Make sure it's cold.
Don't be rude.
I was having a laugh.
The next thing you'll be saying, make it snappy. Mr. Grumpy. Oh, the chairs are funny.
No, it's just the... Oh, God. I can't say anything, can I, without being...
And now he's upset because he can't get half a litre of beer. He can only get it in a bottle.
I'm not upset at all. It just said on there you can have... I haven't got my glasses on.
Shall I change your name by default to either Mr. Grumpy
Shut up.
or Mr. Complainer?
So, you can have Turia, IPA, free gluten,
Gluten-free.
or Voldam, or zero alcohol. Well, what's the point of having 0 alcohol?
Well, for some people,
and it says
a
up there
lot.
you can have it in 33, you can have it in half a litre, or you can have a bottle of wine.
No, a bottle of beer, not a bottle of
I
wine.
know,
sweetheart.
I'm having a laugh.
Right, have you finished grumbling
No, I'm
now?
not grumbling at all. I'm just pointing out a fact that they actually don't do what they say they do.
I'd hate to see you when you are grumbling then. I do see you when you're grumbling.
Electric van, electric car, non-electric van.
At that point, we'll turn it off.
Why is the gimbal pointing that way?
Because it's pointing at you.
Pointing at me?
Yeah.
Oh. Hello. So now he's scrolling through his photographs. Oh yeah, you take another. So we're off to see this church. Oh, you know, please don't stand in front of me again. Because there's a chance I might lose them. Come on. Onto the stroll, here. I'm religious, right? I just like churches. Oh, somebody's got hooked. They probably want us to pay him for photos.
Can you go in?
What?
Can you go in?
I don't know. Don't look very open at the moment.
What is it with these churches? Never open.
I know. They used to be always open, didn't they? Oh, that's dingy, isn't it? It's not a very big marina, is it? That boat must be anchored, is it? Or is it going into the marina?
Looks like it's going to the marina.
Oh.
Look at this.
Oh wow. Bloody hell. So you come around this little corner and look at that. That's amazing. Is it not? It's absolutely amazing, that. What a beautiful building.
It's always X. It's like literally exactly like. Oh, this is something right. I'm like, right.
Bloody hell, this is amazing. Look at that. There's a very big video camera there.
The knockers on that.
Sees it. Look at that pair for knockers. Wow. What a pair of knockers.
That looks a bit strange at first, that.
Yeah. With his stick. Hey. Oh, there's somebody else down here.
Isn't this where Helen and James came down? It is, isn't it?
Oh, it is. So there's always somebody walks past, isn't there? Watch, probably won't wait for her. Yeah, that ruined it, didn't it? Yeah, you could wait, like. Really? Yeah, that ruined it, didn't it? Bloody hell, yeah. There's a bit of work gone into that, isn't there? Crikey. That's like nativity on side, isn't it?
You reckon?
with sheep and shepherds and stuff.
Donkeys. And a monkey. What's a monkey doing up there?
Lovely doors. Both sides, look at that. Crikey. That for a door. Can't they do that somewhere else? What a beautiful place. Apart from this cock here. What a beautiful doorway.
It's pretty typical. When you don't want noise,
I know.
there's noise, and when you're going to record it, she stops.
Exactly.
Oh, she's up again.
Really? What a lot of shite. Just go and do it down at the beach or something, not up here. But it's here. I think we need to stop for another bit of refreshment.
We've only got a stroller down there.
Yeah. Vol Dam is kind of the best of the worst things, really.
What do you mean the best of the worst?
Well,
It's like
you
a
know.
contradiction.
Exactly. But well, it's Vol Dam. It's what do you have to push me for?
I want to see this.
Well, I wanted to see it. I'm just filming it.
All about your bloody deer.
Oh God.
Priorities for me.
All right. All right. All right. Calm.
A beer anyway.
All right. Can you?
Right. Unless you're picky for
But I'm here, and I'm not on a lad's night out.
No,
Well, that's a bit of a.
that's the like the rambler, isn't it?
It's a bit of a
It
drop
all
there.
runs into.
Oh,
the
sorry.
sea
Yeah. Yeah.
drainage from the hill.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's drainage. That.
There's Campo there. I don't know if that's good. This is,
Little sausage dog. Le saucisson.
this is a bar.
Is it?
Well, just a bar rather than a
Oh, so they might have some decent beer then. Might, I said. Right, we'll have another bit of refreshment here. Maybe.
Didn't know you from Terence.
Oh yeah. We'll have a wander up here. Look at that old building there.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Amazing. Gorgeous. Olive tree.
Please, so you don't slip.
Yeah. That old door there. I think that's apartments, isn't it? That? I think it is. What a lovely street this. Another one. Huh, keep saying that. Amazing. And up there.
We need to go up there.
Oh.
Better take pictures of town.
Sorry. No, it's okay. Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? Beautiful building. Random stone. That's like the Dordogne, isn't it? Like random stone like that. I love that. It's like I did at Beaumont, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. Come on, they're waiting to take a picture, and so they want us to go past. Go.
Okay. Gracias. Oh shit.
Oh,
Oh, sorry. Oh, this is beautiful, isn't it? That's amazing. Yeah. Can smell the old marijuana.
they're getting ready for gay pride. So the flags are everywhere.
Yeah. Look at that.
That's beautiful.
That's amazing, isn't it? It's beautiful, yeah. Fellow sat on there contemplating.
Aye. And this as well.
And then just through that little gap there, see the sea. Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah. Are we wandering along here? Don't I think you need to get out of the road, honey?
La Villa de Sitges.
Ah,
Can't read that.
I can't.
It rubbed away.
Isn't that bell tower amazing?
I know it is, yeah, bell tower.
Yeah.
The buildings all over Europe, the countryside, built a brand new store. They've been there for hundreds of years.
Why have people done that?
No, it's disgusting, isn't it? Leaving litter like that. Yeah. Well, I've just walked on a tissue there. Hate litter. So we're back at the seafront. And this, it's a big church, is that, isn't it? That is a big church.
Yeah.
Goes quite a long way back. Shame it's shut. Well, I just want to. Yeah, they're doing work on it, like, aren't they? That's getting ready for the Pride March. What did you just say?
Coffee and ice cream. Do I want to sit down? I don't.
Well, I'd like to sit down, yeah. Yeah, go up here, go up here. Go up here, it's good. Hey up, Chow. Hey up, son. Coffee and ice cream then. Oh, no. No, come we? Oh, right. Is it the same bar? We don't want to be too close to them because they're playing dominoes. And that goes absolutely viral if...
Over there?
Yeah.